Let's make easy homemade tomato soup. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of butter to a large pot, with the burner set to medium heat. Once melted, add 1 large diced onion, and let the onions cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 4 cloves of minced garlic. Let cook 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add 1 cup of water and 3/4 cup of heavy cream and stir. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the flavor, and a half teaspoon of dried oregano, and give it a stir. Add a pinch of salt and about 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper and stir. Then add 6 cups or about 42 ounces of whole canned peeled tomatoes and stir. Set heat to high and bring to a boil. Once it boils, reduce the heat back to medium and cook it for 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. Add about half of it to a blender and blend on high until smooth. Pour it into a large bowl and repeat with the other half. You can also use an immersion blender right in your pot if desired. Taste and season more with salt and pepper as desired. Ladle it into smaller bowls and then serve. It goes really well with a yummy grilled cheese sandwich. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.